Welcome back. We are still locked down here in Connecticut during these coronavirus times, so it's nearly impossible for me to record a video in my house. If you've ever watched any of my videos, you know that my main studio is my kitchen table, and that's pretty much the house. So with everybody home, there's never a moment where someone is not more than 10 feet away from me, and it's kind of hard to lock down the house with kids and my wife working at home. So I decided to try to come outside and maybe use the time that I'd normally be commuting to work to do some very quick videos. And so this is video number 1 in a series in which I'm going to give you one tip in 1 minute to get you one step closer to becoming an ultra cool, ultra lightweight backpacker. So here's the first tip. Let's try to keep this to a minute, right? So I notice in a lot of videos, people bring everything from big sheath knives to different types of jackknives to all sorts of multi-purpose tools. And I also used to carry all of those on trips. And about 3 years ago, I really thought to myself, like, when was the last time I ever used a knife while I was out backpacking? And I really couldn't think of one. And the only times I did use it, I didn't really need it. It was just to it was just like whittle a stick for no reason. And so what I decided to start carrying is just simply a razor blade. This is a razor blade with a piece of duct tape over the blade, and this is the only thing that I've carried for the last few years. I've only needed it once, and that is when I forgot my spoon, I snapped a stick, I shaved it a little bit flat, and that's what I used to eat for the trip. But other than that, this is my one little lightweight knife that I bring. So there is one tip in 1 minute to get you one step closer to becoming an ultra cool, ultra lightweight backpacker. Bring a razor blade, duct tape, done.